Digital Vibes has happened. A number of actions have flowed out of that. The minister has resigned. And if you did find fault with me saying to Minister Mkhize, we thank him for his work, I'd like you to be a bit considerate, because much as he's implicated in the report, he has served the nation well. I think much as we want to be gung-ho and send people to the gallows and all that, we do need to also recognize some of the things that they have done. Minister Mkhize has served the nation well. And I think many people remember how he really served the nation at the beginning of the pandemic. He was the sole voice. I may well have been the face, but he was the sole voice of the pandemic. And we were able to navigate our way around the pandemic because of his experience and having served also in other positions. I remember very well how he's really steered the way around HIV/AIDS when he was a health MEC in KZN. When we were going through a period of denialism, he took a different path that finally defined the way that we've responded to HIV. So I think that needs some recognition, but at the same time, he has resigned, and that has happened, so we need to give recognition to that as well. And you are concerned that we don't seem to be taking further action against others, like other officials who have been named in the report. The report suggests that they should be dealt with in terms of the law, and I think that's the due process that we should allow and follow. I'm a process person. I firmly am rooted in doing things in terms of process, and we need to look at that report and look at the suggestions, the recommendations that have been made to do things in a processed manner, and in a manner that in the end will be fair and give people an opportunity to be able to respond, so that whatever wrong that has been done should be followed through. There should be consequence management, but based on a measure of good fairness in all that. How will this digital vibes issue affect the ANC? The ANC has committed itself to act against corruption. That is a clear policy position. And the ANC should be saying that we are better positioned vis-a-vis our people when they see us acting against corruption. Because we've taken the view that our people abhor corruption. They don't want corruption. They hate corruption. And this is precisely what the ANC stands for. So I don't see this affecting the ANC negatively. In fact, I see this affecting the ANC positively, where people will say, hitherto, we've been very light on taking action against people who have done some wrong. We are now in a new era. We're now in a new dawn. We are doing things differently. We are following up. And let me say, we may not really be able to do it at the pace and the intensity that you may want to see. But truth be told, we are acting on it, and our slowness, our being sticklers for process should not be misunderstood for being reluctant and not wanting to do it. It should be seen for what it is, that we are determined to do. You could say that even in the ANC we've taken our time, it's been slow, but as they say in Afrikaans, die agter ons kom ook in die kraal. The ox that is way behind finally does get into the kraal. And with that experience, TV, even if we're the agter ons, we will finally speed up the process, because we are traversing territory that, in a way, we had never really fully traversed, but we are going to get better. And I want to see us getting better with most of the things that we do. And we will get there, my dearest sister.